In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an interior door handle on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. Using a small pick, we're going to pop off the little plastic piece. Using a T15, remove the screw behind the cap. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to remove the trim piece. Pull the handle open and pull the trim down. Remove the connectors for the switches. There's a push button right here. Push on that, pull it straight out. On the window switch, it'll be the same thing. Push on the tabs, remove the connectors, remove the trim piece. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop off the cover for the mirror. Pop it off in the back first, then push it forward. We're going to have one connector. Using a right angle pick, we're going to get in between the connector and the locking tab. Pop the connector out. This is the little tab that we're trying to get unhooked. Using a T15 bit, we're going to go around the door card and remove the 5 screws. There's 3 on this outside and then 2 on the inside. And 2 on the bottom. Pop off the handle trim using a plastic trim tool. Get it under the handle, pop the clip. Using a 1/4 inch socket, remove the 2 screws. Pull the panel out in this back left side. Pull straight up and remove the door card. Reaching inside the window track using a pair of pliers, we're going to squeeze the 2 tabs and then pull our door handle forward. Pop it out. Pop the plastic out and pull the cable out. Install the cable into the new door handle. Install the door handle back into the door. Swivel the front forward and clip it into place. Install the door card. Make sure that your harnesses are coming through the door. Drop the door card onto the door and pull it around. Go around the door card and install all of the screws. Install the connector for the mirror switch. We're going to install this front first and then swivel the back into place. Install the screws for the handle. Install the trim piece. There will be this little L at the top. That'll go in first. Then it'll swivel down and click into place. Install the connectors. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the connector for the door lock. Pull the handle open. And install the trim piece. It'll click into place. Install the screw for the trim piece behind the handle. Install the plastic plug.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.